And look, here's another one. Oh, we got a lot of them. Look at them. Wow. 1, 2, 3. This one's got tusks. Let me get to the other side. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Don't know if I'd be able to ride them, but wow. Got all of them out now. Look at that. Yay, Frankie gets to see elephants. Wow. Yay! Look at all of them. So we got 5 of them here now. Not really talking all that much because there's a whole lot of people that are bathing here too. So whole lot. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but there's also a church right across the way there, and they're singing because it's Sunday. So this is very, very, very cool. And you can see the giant elephant droppings for all of them.